The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a YouTube playlist and add videos to the playlist for your students. First, you'll want to go to youtube.com, and from this page, you'll want to click the sign in button located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, this is assuming that you already have a YouTube account. From this page, you'll want to click the round circle at the top right hand corner of the screen and click your channel. From here, you'll click YouTube Studio. Next, you'll click Playlist on the left side of the screen. Next, you'll click New Playlist. And for this example, we'll use week 1. Click the Create button. And now you have a playlist to house your videos that you're going to send to your students. Go ahead and keep this default as public. So next, you want to add videos to this playlist. To do that, click the camera button with the plus sign and hit Upload Video. You can drag and drop a file here, or you can choose Select File. I'm going to choose Select File for now. And the first thing you want to do is give it a title. We'll call the title of this video Teaching Math. And then you want to give it a brief description. And next you want to scroll down to the thumbnail section. The default thumbnail is usually what I go with. YouTube gives you 2 other suggestions. You can choose which one you think looks best, or you can upload a custom thumbnail. Next, you choose playlist, and you'll want to put this video, for this example, we'll put in the playlist that we just created, week 1, and click done. Then you scroll down to audience. You have to answer this question: is this video made for kids? For this example, it is. We'll say yes. And then you'll click the next button. You can skip the video elements page, and you'll click the next button. And here, I'll choose unlisted because I only want to send this video to my students. I don't want the public to be able to see my video. So we'll choose unlisted. And here we can copy the link to the video. So you click this button to copy the link and click save. You can also copy it again here if you need to, if you forgot to do it on the previous step. It gives you another chance to copy it here and then hit close. Now you can open your email and paste that link in the body of your email. You can send this link to any individuals that you wish to see the playlist. Now you should be able to create a YouTube playlist and upload videos with ease. As with anything, the more you do it, the easier it will become. Take care.